Hi, good afternoon, day, whatever. April Blackwell Mortgage here to help you qualify yourself. So it's 2 o'clock in the morning and you saw something online and somehow you came to my website and you want to know what can I qualify for? So let me help you out. I put together this Excel workbook. There are two sheets here. This one says explore different sales prices and this is see what you qualify for. So let's just start here. The yellow is the only thing you need to touch. Leave everything else alone, otherwise you're going to mess with the formatting of the cells. So over here, it's asking for the sales price, okay? Sales price. Let's just say you want to know what will a $400,000 home cost? And let's just say you want to put down 20%, okay? So you put down 20%. That calculates for you everything else. Your estimated payment is going to be $2,620. Now, because this calculator is very basic and it doesn't know you just put down 20%. Just a hint, if you do 20% down, you're not going to have to pay monthly PMI. So you can subtract that from your payment. It'll be more like $2,500 versus $2,620. But it's just here in case you want to mess around and go, well, what if I did 5% down? This is assuming that you're going to do at least a 3% down payment for most loans. And as this little disclaimer here says, there's no PMI with 20% down and PMI rates vary. Again, this is a very basic rudimentary calculator. It is never going to give you a to the penny estimate. And it's based on a factorial of $6.50 per thousand, which is the equivalent of an interest rate near a 6.75. So if you buy down the rate, or you get a program with a lower interest rate, then of course this is also going to move. But if you look down here below, let's just say we're doing 3% down. And down here, this is the monthly income that would be required for you to qualify for a $400,000 house using a conservative, moderate, or a max recommended ratio. Again, these aren't real maximums, but they are recommended maximums to really figure out exactly what you're able to do from a qualifying standpoint. And from a real life standpoint, you do need to make an appointment, go through the process, and let us take a deep dive under the hood and look at those financials. So in this example, a $400,000 property with a 3% down payment, your income should be no less than $8,117 per month, or that's just roughly over $96,000 a year. Now, let's say your income is less than that. That is the total income on the application. So if you're splitting the mortgage with another person that's going to be co-buying with you, then your personal income can be less than that. But the total income on the application should be at least the $96,000. Now, let's take a look here at this other calculator. See what you may qualify for. Okay, now we have up to 4 different applicants here. And let's just say, it's you and a friend, and your income, again, yellow is the only thing you need to touch. Do not touch anything else. At $80,000 is your income. Your buddy makes $50,000 a year together. That's $130,000 a year, or $10,833 a month. Now, let's just say you have a car payment of $500, student loans of $250, and a credit card of $75, and your buddy has a bigger car payment. But that's all he has, okay? So we're here again, we have a recommended ratio of 45%. That means this payment of $3,250 is the maximum recommended mortgage payment: principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and PMI. And what we're trying to do is solve for what would this person, what does this equal to in terms of a loan amount? And coincidentally, I had no idea how this was going to pan out, guys. I swear, $400,000 is what that also turns out to be for a loan amount. But let's just say I don't know, we've got a gift of $80,000. So you add that gift for available funds, and that gives you your maximum estimated sales price. And once again, we have some ratios here, just letting you know these are ballparks estimate just for you to kind of scratch the itch on what you may qualify for. This tool I've adapted from my own personal tool that I use in the business to qualify my borrowers to get me a jump start. Then once we do a deeper dive, we run things through automated underwriting and we really figure out what that maximum is. But more than likely, your max, what you're comfortable paying monthly, is going to be lower than any lender's qualifying max on automated underwriting. So this ratio here can be higher in real life, so long as that is something you qualify for. So this is just sort of like a good bumper guides for you to learn to stay around, for you to sort of learn what your range is. If you have any questions, please go to our website, blackwellmortgagenc.com. There's links everywhere to create an appointment. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.